Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video I made some delicious banana pancakes. Sit down, let me show you how I made this. Thank you. So to make these pancakes, I'll start by measuring 2 cups of all-purpose flour into my mixing bowl, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then mix together and set aside. Remember, we are making banana pancakes, and so here are the bananas I'll be using. I have 1 big one and 1 small size. I'll peel and put them into the plate and mash them. I'm done mashing the bananas. I'll now add 2 tablespoons of sugar and mix. I will also be adding banana flavor to this. You can use any other flavor of your choice, like vanilla or nutmeg, but I'm using banana flavor, and I'll be using 1/3 teaspoon of the banana flavor. I will mix and then add 2 eggs. A tablespoon of melted butter, and a cup of milk. I'll mix everything together and then add it to the dry ingredients. Our pancake batter is ready. It is now time to start frying. In a dry pot or pan, add about a teaspoon of oil or butter into it. Spread the oil in the pan and then scoop in your batter. You can scoop in about a cooking spoon of the batter depending on the size you want. Fry about 5 to 7 minutes on a low heat. And when bubbles begin to form on top, then it is time to flip over. Flip over on the other side and also fry for about 5 to 7 minutes. When both sides are well fried, then take it out. Continue the same process until you fry all the batter you have. You can always lift it up to check before you take it out from the pan. This is also done. And here we have our banana pancakes. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Please don't forget to like and share the video at the end of it. And if you are new here, you are highly welcomed. Please consider subscribing. Thank you. And I'll be topping this with some slices of banana and a sprinkle of honey. And here we have our delicious and yummy banana pancakes. Yeah, tasted so delicious. We enjoyed eating this. I hope you'll be making some for you and your family this weekend. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.